Hi everyone, my name is Gogul and today I'm going to show you how to back up your Gmail. So let's get started. First, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Then go to myaccount.google.com. Next, click on this Manage Your Data and Privacy link. You will see a page like this. From here, scroll down to the download or delete your data section and click on download your data. Once you're on this Google takeout page, click on deselect all and then scroll down and select the mail option. After that, click on this all mail data included button. You will see a list of options for the type of the data you want to download. You can choose to download all your mail data or only specific labels. Once you have made your selection, click on OK. Then scroll down and click on the next step button. On this page, you can choose the file type and delivery method for your data. You can choose to receive a download link via email or add the file to your Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive or Box account. Also, if you want to change the file type and the file size, you can do so here. Once you have made your selection, click on Create Export. The process may take some time depending on the size of your data. Finally, once the export is complete, you will receive an email with a link to download your data. Simply click on this link and follow the instructions to download your Gmail backup. And that's it. You should now have a backup of your Gmail data.